Greetings, teachers. Today I'll be showing you how we're using the Forces and Motion Basics PhET HTML5 simulation in our 4th grade elementary classrooms. This is a pilot activity that we hope to implement in our 3rd grade classrooms when we switch over to the new Massachusetts Science Standards. PhET simulations are a free service provided by the University of Colorado Boulder. This particular simulation allows students to apply different forces to a little bit of a tug-of-war simulation with a cart of treats in the middle. Students can apply the blue and red people to each rope of different or same forces, and then allow them to tug at the rope, pausing along the way to change the conditions or allowing the simulation to run through until one side is victorious. Students are provided the opportunity to explore the simulation while answering a simple question: how do balanced forces affect an object's motion? Now, what do you got here? They still won. The larger guys seem to outpull the red. What about over here? What are you seeing?
I'm saying this. Everybody is on the same exact side and blue's winning.
Now you got an equal amount of people there.
Yeah.
And it's moving? Was it moving before you put those people on?
No. Well, before I put this guy on, I put this guy on right because he was moving. So.
Oh, so it was moving before?
Yeah.
It didn't just start moving even when they had all the same people? Oh yeah, what happens when you do that?
It
Doesn't move. Alright, what are we trying over here? See, you've got two people on both sides. What's happening? Did anything happen? Oh, whoa, how's that moving right now? Whoops. What's going on?
You go like this, and then you go like this, and then you take one off, and then
Why do you think it all of a sudden starts moving to the left like that?
because he was the last one to be touched.
Oh, so what do you think he was doing there?
He was pulling it so that it would have enough force.
Alright, so now it's just sort of rolling along.
Yeah.
Huh. Do real carts do that? Do real carts do that? Do they keep rolling along?
They go far when someone's forcing them to.
Oh, you added some guys. Oh, what happened there?
And now I gotta do 3 against 1. I'm gonna do.
So right now the forces, are they balanced or are they not balanced?
Not.
Not. Whoa, what
Now
happened
they're
to the
moving
cart?
back because I added a bigger person with more weight on.
Oh.
And now it's moving fast.
Hey, wait a second, they're all even. How come they kept on moving in that direction?
Because the guy jumped on later.
He was on later?
And they had already gotten started.
They had already gotten started. During the model explorations, I encouraged students to record what they saw. I learned quickly that my sentence starters were a little too complicated for these 4th graders, which means that they would definitely be too complicated for 3rd graders. To improve the overall value of this lesson for students, I'll probably change the essential question from how do balanced forces affect an object's motions to simply how do forces affect an object's motion. In addition to this change, I'll also likely change the data sheet to at least start the kids with probably 4 different scenarios of balanced or unbalanced motion models where all students will have a similar exploration of the model for the first 4 to get a sort of baseline understanding of how the model works and what happens when they add different people to the different sides of the cart. From there, they can write down what happens, so we can all have a sort of understanding that everyone has similar cause and effect relationships for these four scenarios. And then the rest of the time, they can explore adding more people, fewer people, and seeing what they can glean from their own explorations, which can later be shared in a Socrative circle.